Hello everyone, welcome to APT Plus Academy for Civil Services and I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is United Nations Forum on Forest. Something important, why we are discussing this topic on news, I'll tell you the detail. And in the discussion, I'll also tell you about the United Nations Forum on Forest और ग्लोबल फॉरेस्ट गोल के क्या इंपॉर्टेंट गोल्स हैं वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. सो दिस सेशन इज गोइंग टू हेल्पफुल. दिस विल हेल्प यू इन प्रीलिम्स एंड इवन फॉर मेंस एग्जामिनेशन. प्रीलिम्स में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट PYQs. आई मीन बेसिकली अगर बात करें मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस की तो वहाँ पे आपको सवाल मिल जाएंगे. And for the last PYQs, you can also find the questions on this forum, which is specifically related to the environment. So let's get started with the details. So Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change ने recently कहा है that they will be organizing the country-led initiative, that is CLI event, as a part of United Nations Forum on Forest at the FRI, which is based in Uttarakhand in Dehradun. So this is why we are making a discussion to this. This is in the limelight and you should know the other details about the UNFF, that is United Nations Forum on Forest. Now क्या है UNFF? इसके बारे में कुछ brief that is going to be relevant for prelims examination. Multiple choice questions में आपको statement questions मिल सकते हैं prelims में. United Nations Forum on Forest is a high-level intergovernmental policy forum. This is one important point. It include all United Nations member states, जितने भी members हैं that are included in this. Permanent member, उसके साथ साथ UNFF के secretariat है. Collaborative partnership is there in forest, regional organization and processed major group. So these are the major stakeholders. These are the stakeholders that is actually performed, right? Now United Nations Forum on Forest promotes the management and conservation for sustainable development and all types of forests to strengthen the long-term political commitment and this. If you look at the other global forum, जहाँ पे specifically अगर climate related issues की बात की गई है या फिर conservation या फिर sustainable development की बात की गई है, UNFC and even the United Nations Forum has been playing an important role, चाहे वो UNFCC के through हो या UNFF के through. Now UNFF was established in 2000 by the UN Economic and Social Council. So this is again an important and vital point for the prelims examination. Now the other important detail that you need to know is about the function. Function से कई बार डायरेक्ट सवाल पूछे जाते हैं कि क्या है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मैंडेट और ये कैसे फंक्शन करती है. So it promote forest agreement. Basically it aims to promote the forest agreement, implementations and sustainable management and understanding. It supports ongoing policy development, dialogue among the government, intergovernmental organization and the major group. It can be among the UN group as well. Now it aims to enhance the cooperation as well as policy program coordinations for the forest related issues. It also encourages the global cooperations, monitor progress and report the functioning of goal. जो भी targets हैं, उस targets की क्या positions है, कितने goals meet हुए हैं, उसके बारे में भी real time situations या basically report बताती है. Now it also enhances the commitment to sustainable forest management and conservation, which is the real mandate of the part of UNFF. Now the other details that you need to know is about the forest cover और जो global forest goal है जिसे कहते हैं GFG. Now I'll tell you the detail of that as well. First देखते हैं forest cover. So forest cover 31% of the total earth land and the area around the 4 billion hectare. 13 climate goal, अगर SDG के goals की बात करें वहाँ पे भी ये mandated है and even United Nations Department of Economic Affairs and Special Affairs are actually taking care of it. Now for mains examination per se, mains perspective से आपको ये goals याद होने चाहिए so that you can write. The first goal is reverse the forest cover loss. We need to reverse it with the possible efforts by the government. Second is to improve the forest and the benefits for the livelihood. Third is protected forest and use sustainable forest produce or the products. Fourth is to mobilize the resources. Fifth is to promote the inclusive forest governance. This has to be done with a bottom-up approach. हर एक लेवल पे इसे incorporate करने की जरूरत है. And last but not the least is the corporate and work access sector. So ये 6 important mandate है global forest goal के. Now which is against the part of the United Nations. और इसके साथ साथ आप एसडीजी के जो टारगेट्स है उससे कोलैबोरेट कर ले, जो इंपॉर्टेंट टारगेट्स एसडीजी में मेंशन किए गए हैं for sustainable environment and sustainable life must also be incorporated. तो ये एक holistic आपके पास important points हो जाएगी when it comes to the sustainable development of the environment. So this was all about for this topic. Hope you like this. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important and relevant topic for the prelims and mains examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching.